you fly over your yeah. Very nice one. Okay, then we will come down here. Okay. Alright, we will come down. So everyone please remain seated. Okay, and then Zizu want to show. Zizu. And then, but here I need everyone cooperation to clap hands and to the
ডাকতেছো কেন? সিয়াম বারবার বলছে রিমেইন সিটেড বলতেছো, কেন ডাকলা?
Okay, good. Now can I have a music please? Alright, okay, when the music is on, let's get our hands together. Okay, we go? Ready?
দাঁড়ায়ও না, বসতে বস।
Okay, for part 5, we are going to have a study test with 4 Okay, now today we are going to see 4 test. Over here we have teachers. We have 2 teachers over here. And let's have a question. You guys want 4 to spell for today. Now, first one. If you guys want to participate, Macau, raise your hand, come on. Let's go. Macau, can you go for Macau? Okay, next one is stop. Stop. Okay, the last one, eagle. I think Macau. Alright, okay, let's start Macau today. Bye-bye. You need to spell Macau today, right? Yeah, for your information, okay, Macau. They have a very good memory and English word. Macau also one of the most intelligent birds. Over here we have alphabet. Okay, we line up alphabet up here randomly and 4 we pick up 1 by 1 and spell Macau. Okay, 5. Before we start, okay, let's see the teachers and the words. Okay, Papa look and memorize, okay? I look. Okay, 1. Let's start spell Macau. Okay, first let's repeat. Okay, next one. Okay, alright, good. Okay, next one you think about. Okay, second one, also good. Okay, what is the next letter? C. Okay, and the last one? What is it? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Alright, Papa spelling Macau. Thank you so much for your part. Very good, right? Okay, then we are going to have something more interesting. Today we are going to see a racing competition. We are going to see bird race. But let's see, okay, what we are going to have for our racing competition over here. We have 2 poles, yellow and blue color. Ring. Okay, we are going to have a ring racing. Okay, we over here. Now we are doing over here. We start from here and okay, pick up the ring here, put that into the pole. Me, I will do and do my time. Come here, okay? For the next one, please welcome also Tony They need a team supporter. Now let's divide you guys into two teams. Okay, for the first team, doing 14 from the beginner from the middle line here. Okay, and to my right side, you guys will be cheer for 5. Okay, people by let's have a friendly shot. 5 name, 3 times. 5. Okay, ready on count. 1, 2, 3.
4 pie.
Finish right? Okay, so now for the second team, 2 for me. The 14 coming from the middle line here. Auntie to my left side. And you guys will be cheer for me. Okay, people, again, let's practice to shout for me. 3 times. For me. Okay, make sure shout more loud. Ready? For 5. Ready? Become louder. Ready? On count. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this is right. Okay, thank you for the 3 shout for your team. Okay, 4, 5 for me. Okay, ready? Okay, good. Now on your mark. That's it. And go faster. If you guys think Tommy was super, raise your hand. So many people. Okay, we're going to say good question over here now. If you guys think Tommy was super smart, raise your hand. Just like when I take his order, thank you for that. Alright, we have our small bird again, right? So, hand for Tommy. Okay. We have 2 empty balls and also 1 ball. Okay, this time, we are going to test Tommy eyesight. Okay, how sharp? Tommy eyesight over here. Let's see, okay? Tommy, please look at your eyes. Focus. Okay, Tommy, please focus. Okay, now we shuffle the box. Okay. First time, slow. Okay. Make sure you look at your dice. Okay. Alright, now where is your dice? Now let's do one more time. And this time, Mr. Mo, please shuffle and funky. Alright, fast guys. See, can we find these cards or not? For me, focus please. So far. Can I do this? Which ball for this time? Now, can I do this together? Okay, moment up first. Where is your dice? Wow, very nice. Right, can we find these guys? Okay, for the information, our eyesight are 7 times sharper than our human eyesight. Thank you so much, Tommy. Alright, next, okay, we are going to welcome Lily, our South Earth question. Then for okay. In front over here we have a bucket. Inside this bucket we have food. For our okay, what food we have inside? Okay, we will show. Okay, now we how you get your food. The food is up. It's off down. Come on. Look, effort is already fall down here. Okay, number one. You can try that. Thank you so much for me. I will start from Western Kakatu. Alright, never mind. But see a good top part. Okay, next we are going to welcome our next performer. What we have over there. Okay, now please welcome Ariel, our African brave Ariel. Come on, Ariel. Show us your top. You pick up your trash. Okay, come on, Ariel. How you pick up your trash? In front over here. Someone has stored some trash. Okay, Ariel, you pick up. Okay, and put inside the dustbin. Wow, very good. Okay, now one more. Alright guys, if a bird can do this, so can you write? Please see our environment. Thank you so much, Ariel. Our African very smart. Okay, thank you, Ariel. Alright, yes, we are going to have for our last performer an eagle. Okay, let's find where our eagle, everyone. Let's find. Okay, please welcome Paki. Where are you, Paki? Show yourself over here. Anyone see our eagle? Our Brahmin Khan. Where are you, Paki? Hello there. Red taxi eagle. Okay, where are you going, Monkey? Right. And to get over there. You guys can see this eagle fly very beautiful. Over here, we are going to show you guys this eagle. Natural behavior. Okay, they like to steal for okay, for this eagle, so in Malaysia, okay, we know this eagle as Lam Merah. Also, we have one island named after this bird. Okay, the island known as the Langkawi Island in Malaysia. Everyone here, our trainer, Mr. Reinhardt, will have food. Okay, in the sea, you have me. Just now, our eagle, Paki, that's over here again. So, wow, very nice to have, right? Our Paki. And now, okay, now our trainer, okay, Mr. Reinhardt, will call Paki down here. So, everyone, please remain seated. Okay, now Paki, let's come down here. Very nice fly. And thank you so much for Paki. Our Brahmin cut. Now, looks like we have come to the end of our show. But before let me introduce again our team of trainers for today. On my right side is Mr. Mori Q. On my left side Mr. Ryan is Paki, our leader. And once again, my name is Mr. La. Thank you for coming to tell the talk. Bye.